Spraying Systems Company has a storied reputation as experts in advanced spray technology, while Fluid Air has established itself as an innovator in the modification and creation of powders and particles. In 2009, we joined forces with one another, allowing us to develop new technology and systems for our customers on a global scale. With the opening of our new East Coast facility in Merrimack, New Hampshire, everyone is reaping the benefits. Here at the ECF, we look at the spray operation in its entirety, while crafting a variety of different components for numerous coating applications, like our custom-configured headers and lances that are used in operations such as pharmaceutical processing, tank cleaning, and chemical injections. Outfitted with a fully functional testing and analytics lab, we are more than capable of bringing a complete solution to the table in our mission to provide superior products. And because of that mission, we tirelessly pursue the possibilities of what is achievable by constantly researching new techniques and innovations to develop original solutions in spraying technology. On the manufacturing floor, we strive to find the best methods of bringing those technologies to the people who need them. With a full machine shop at our disposal, our team always finds the optimum approach to manufacture these products. Spraying Systems offers an amazing environment to learn and grow. As a CNC machinist, you'll be able to develop your potential into a wide range of skills through hands-on experience and give yourself a head start towards a career with the opportunity for continuous growth and improvement.
Hitchner Manufacturing is a family-owned, state-of-the-art build-to-print metal casting company that has been part of the Milford community for nearly 70 years. Hitchner produces thin-walled, lightweight components, critical and fuel-efficient low-emission applications in both the automotive and aerospace industries. You may not recognize our parts, but you'll certainly recognize their end uses.
I would recommend this course to other students at Milford High School because I was able to learn what an average day looks like for an engineer, and that small things impact bigger picture.
The stuff you learn at the engineering class at the high school, like the SolidWorks, really translates to Hitchner very well.
At Milford High School, I learned how to use SolidWorks and Excel.
Here at Hitchner, I'm either designing a part off of a blueprint or organizing an area. My favorite part about being a Hitchner is just learning something new every day and stays interesting.
I graduated Sauhegan High School in 2014, and I started Hitchner's 2 years later in 2016 on an entry-level job. What I enjoy most about working at Hitchner's is all the opportunities that they have, starting at entry level and being able to work your way up to supervisor or even further. The most important thing as a wax supervisor is making sure all of the jobs that you have scheduled are getting out so the rest of the plant can run.
Find out more about Hitchner Manufacturing Company at www.hitchner.com.